Yeah, what's up, bro? Okay. For today's lesson, I want to show you some a basic way you can start improvising using your pentatonic scale. One of the way you can solo using your pentatonic is just the vital, easy and easier way you can start improvising and start soloing. Because pentatonic has been an awesome way to start soloing. Okay, and I want to do the lesson in the key of G. Okay. Okay, this is the key of G. So before then, you're watching this video in YouTube or Facebook, I'd like you to do one thing for me. Just write on the comment section, very good, very nice, awesome video, okay? So that Facebook can promote the videos to some other people to watch, okay? Share it to some other people that are interested to watch as well, okay? So what I'm playing now, you can improvise that in different keys on the guitar fretboard. We have the key of C, okay? We have on the second strings, we have the key of C, C sharp, D, E flat, E, F, F sharp, G, okay, G sharp, A, B flat, and A and B. Okay, then you continue C again. Okay, so you can work it down on different keys like you can. Okay, but for this sake of this video, the backing track I'm going to use in the key of G, so I'm going to do it in the key of G. That is the key of G. Okay. That's the key of G. So we have the pentatonic sequence, like the note that forms the pentatonic, like I said in my previous video, is a 5 note, the do, re, mi, sol, la. Okay, do, re, mi, sol, la. Okay, so now if you want to play the do, re, mi, sol, la, you can have it in all the fretboard as long as you're playing on the key of G. This is the do, this is the la, this is the sol, this is the mi, this is the re, this is the do. So you can have the do here, re, mi, sol, la, okay, that is your pentatonic shape on this guitar and this key. Okay. So you have it there also. So from here you can have your do, re, mi, sol, la, do, okay. So it's just the pentatonic scale movement. From here you can have re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la. Okay. Okay, so let's play the backing track so that you can. Here I'm going to solo some melodious solo in there. 1, 2, go. The chord progression is do, sol, la. just trying to make some simple soloing to use how to use your pentatonic connection, okay, to improvise, okay, while soloing. You have this is what I was playing, because the progression of the song is in do, so, okay, so just very simple progression you can start improvising on. So I play re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, do, re. Okay, now the re is going to your sol. Okay, the re now is representing your sol. Okay, now play. Okay, but all you need to do is you need to learn how to hammer on your notes, okay? Something like this. Need to learn how to hammer on your note, okay? Okay. Now this so mi re mi, so mi re mi. Now I'm going to my la. The re here can take the la. Sorry, the mi here can represent the la chord. Okay. And I play an arm from the sol la. So the do, that this do is going to your va. I came to this shape. Okay. Okay, now going to the sol chord. Now play. So do you? Okay, re mi so mi la. Okay, now going to my va. Okay. So that is it. So va. So that is some simple way you can start improvising using your pentatonic CAEGE, okay? Just understand your pentatonic. Majorly, you know, it's a 5-note do, re, mi, sol, la, okay? You could work that in all the fretboard, okay? Alright guys, see you in the next video. If you like this video, smash the like button, drop a comment on the comment section, okay? See you guys.